There's a certain kind of home appliance you only truly appreciate after living with it for a few weeks. Not because it demands attention, but because it quietly removes a daily task from your routine. And that's exactly the role this product is trying to fill. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a closer look at the Lefant Robot Vacuum M213S, a slim, intelligent robot vacuum and mop combo designed for busy homes, pet owners, apartments, and anyone looking for a more consistent way to maintain clean floors with less effort. If you deal with pet hair, daily dust buildup, or simply don't want to vacuum every other day, this product immediately becomes relevant. And if you'd like to check pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. What makes the Lefant M213S interesting is its focus on practical usability. Instead of overcomplicating the experience, it prioritizes strong suction, efficient movement, quiet maintenance cleaning, and a design that adapts well to real homes. Reason 1. Powerful suction that feels genuinely effective. With 3,200 pascals suction power, the M213S performs confidently across hard floors, low-pile carpets, pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust. In everyday use, that level of suction creates a noticeable difference in how clean floors feel underfoot, especially in high-traffic areas like kitchens, hallways, and living spaces. It's designed for daily maintenance cleaning, and it handles that role exceptionally well. Reason 2. A surprisingly pet-friendly design. One of the biggest frustrations with many robot vacuums is hair tangling around the brush system over time. Lefant approaches this differently with a tangle-free suction port design that helps reduce hair buildup and maintenance interruptions. For homes with cats or dogs, this becomes more valuable than it may initially sound because it keeps the cleaning process more reliable and less hands-on. Reason 3. Slim enough to clean where most vacuums struggle. At only 3 inches tall and 11 inches wide, the M213S easily reaches under sofas, beds, cabinets, and furniture where dust tends to accumulate unnoticed. Those hidden areas often get skipped during quick manual cleaning sessions, so having a robot vacuum consistently maintain them helps create a cleaner overall environment over time. Reason 4. Long runtime creates better coverage. The 150-minute runtime is one of the strongest advantages in this category. Larger rooms and multi-room spaces benefit from fewer interruptions and more complete cleaning sessions. Lefant states coverage up to 150 square meters, which makes this especially appealing for apartments, family homes, and open floor plans where shorter runtime vacuums may struggle to finish consistently. Reason 5. Smart controls that remain easy to use. The Lefant app allows scheduling, cleaning customization, and remote operation directly from your phone, while Alexa and Google Assistant support add voice control convenience. Setup remains relatively straightforward as long as your network supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, the overall ownership experience feels practical rather than overly technical. Reason 6. Navigation designed for real-world obstacles. The upgraded Freemove Technology 3.0 uses built-in infrared sensors to detect surrounding obstacles and reduce unnecessary collisions. In daily use, this helps the vacuum move more confidently around furniture, walls, and tighter spaces without feeling overly aggressive or erratic. In terms of limitations, the mopping function is better suited for light maintenance rather than deep stain removal, and homes with very thick carpets may not experience the same level of performance as hard floors or low-pile surfaces. But within its intended category, the M213S offers an impressive balance of suction power, smart functionality, runtime, and convenience. What ultimately makes this product stand out is how naturally it fits into everyday life. It reduces small daily cleaning tasks quietly and consistently, which over time becomes surprisingly valuable. Thank you for watching Buy with Confidence. If the Lefant M213S feels like the right match for your home, you'll find the link in the description below. And as always, choose thoughtfully, buy carefully, and invest in products that genuinely improve your daily routine.